Want to improve your English conversation skills and sound like a native speaker? This video is perfect for you.
Hi there, what's your name?
I'm Sarah. What's yours?
Hi there, what's your name?
I'm Sarah. What's yours?
I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Great choice. Future hopes.
Health and happiness.
Great choice. Future hopes.
Health and happiness.
Perfect goals. Cooking tips.
Fresh herbs always.
Perfect goals. Cooking tips.
Fresh herbs always.
Noted. Proud moment.
Winning a contest.
Noted. Proud moment.
Winning a contest.
Impressive. Life advice.
Be true to yourself.
Impressive. Life advice.
Be true to yourself.
Wise words. Hobbies now.
Learning guitar.
Wise words. Hobbies now.
Learning guitar.
That's cool. Local attractions.
Love our museums.
That's cool. Local attractions.
Love our museums.
Museums are amazing. Seasons.
Love spring blossoms.
Museums are amazing. Seasons.
Love spring blossoms.
Spring's nice. Self-improvement.
Reading every day.
Spring's nice. Self-improvement.
Reading every day.
Great habit. New hobbies.
Trying baking.
Great habit. New hobbies.
Trying baking.
Fun. Favorite spot.
Cozy cafe.
Fun. Favorite spot.
Cozy cafe.
Love cafes too. Favorite recipe.
Pasta carbonara.
Love cafes too. Favorite recipe.
Pasta carbonara.
Delicious. Learning languages.
Spanish right now.
Delicious. Learning languages.
Spanish right now.
Good choice. Final thoughts.
Really enjoyed this chat.
Good choice. Final thoughts.
Really enjoyed this chat.
Favorite weekend plan.
Beach day. Relaxing.
Favorite weekend plan.
Beach day. Relaxing.
Perfect plan. Favorite flower.
Love sunflowers. You?
Perfect plan. Favorite flower.
Love sunflowers. You?
Roses for me. Do you meditate?
Yes, every morning.
Roses for me. Do you meditate?
Yes, every morning.
Sounds peaceful. Exercise.
Pilates and walks. You?
Sounds peaceful. Exercise.
Pilates and walks. You?
Mostly jogging. Favorite drink.
Iced tea. You?
Mostly jogging. Favorite drink.
Iced tea. You?
Coffee every day. Go to comfort food.
Mac and cheese.
Coffee every day. Go to comfort food.
Mac and cheese.
Mine's pizza. Prefer mornings.
I'm a night owl.
Mine's pizza. Prefer mornings.
I'm a night owl.
Same here. Collect anything.
Books mostly. You?
Same here. Collect anything.
Books mostly. You?
Postcards from travels. Ever camped?
Yes. Love it.
Postcards from travels. Ever camped?
Yes. Love it.
Camping's the best. Favorite season.
Autumn. All the way.
Camping's the best. Favorite season.
Autumn. All the way.
Nice choice. Favorite app.
Instagram. You?
Nice choice. Favorite app.
Instagram. You?
Spotify for music. Long-term goals.
Grow my career.
Spotify for music. Long-term goals.
Grow my career.
Inspiring. Favorite quote.
Live and let live.
Inspiring. Favorite quote.
Live and let live.
Great motto. Artistic interests.
Love pottery.
Great motto. Artistic interests.
Love pottery.
Unique hobby. Festivals.
Our art fair.
Unique hobby. Festivals.
Our art fair.
Sounds fun. Dream house.
Near the ocean.
Sounds fun. Dream house.
Near the ocean.
Peaceful choice. Fashion trends.
Casual and simple.
Peaceful choice. Fashion trends.
Casual and simple.
Same here. Believe in fate.
Yes. Sometimes. You?
Same here. Believe in fate.
Yes. Sometimes. You?
I think so. Have a mentor.
Yes. My teacher.
I think so. Have a mentor.
Yes. My teacher.
That's special. Favorite city.
Paris. You?
That's special. Favorite city.
Paris. You?
Tokyo for me. Ever journaled.
Yes. Love it.
Tokyo for me. Ever journaled.
Yes. Love it.
Great habit. Cooking style.
Simple. Homemade.
Great habit. Cooking style.
Simple. Homemade.
Same here. Favorite place.
Mountain views.
Same here. Favorite place.
Mountain views.
Nature's beautiful. Languages.
Practicing French.
Nature's beautiful. Languages.
Practicing French.
Impressive. Scary movie fan.
Not really. You?
Impressive. Scary movie fan.
Not really. You?
Love them. Any pets?
Just one cat.
Love them. Any pets?
Just one cat.
Cats are great. Weekend routine.
Reading and coffee.
Cats are great. Weekend routine.
Reading and coffee.
Relaxing. Favorite scent.
Lavender. Yours?
Relaxing. Favorite scent.
Lavender. Yours?
Vanilla. Ever tried baking?
Yes. Cookies.
Vanilla. Ever tried baking?
Yes. Cookies.
Yum. Favorite place to unwind?
Quiet parks.
Yum. Favorite place to unwind?
Quiet parks.
I like that. Stress reliever.
Music and tea.
I like that. Stress reliever.
Music and tea.
Great combo. Future travel.
Greece someday.
Great combo. Future travel.
Greece someday.
Beautiful spot. Lucky charm.
Small bracelet.
Beautiful spot. Lucky charm.
Small bracelet.
Nice. Biggest inspiration.
My mom.
Nice. Biggest inspiration.
My mom.
That's touching. Self-care tips.
Hydrate often.
That's touching. Self-care tips.
Hydrate often.
Good advice. Final thoughts.
Enjoyed this talk.
Good advice. Final thoughts.
Enjoyed this talk.
Me too. Keep in touch.
Absolutely. Let's chat again.
Me too. Keep in touch.
Absolutely. Let's chat again.
Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.